Guys, welcome back to MrYouWho, and I'm really excited to be bringing to you the Edifier WH950. Now, why I'm so excited with these headphones is I decided for a change to receive the headphones and not actually test the price beforehand. What I thought I'd do is actually go out there, test out the headphones, test out the features, the quality, and then have a look at the price. Now, I tested these headphones out and absolutely found them to be amazing. You're going to find out in this video exactly why, but having a look at the price, I would have thought you're looking at least $200 to $300 Australian plus. Would you believe you can buy these on Amazon for $80 at the moment? I mean, that is unbelievable. And the reason being is Edifier have done a fantastic job with these. Now, they feel like premium quality headphones and the music sounds great. It's got higher res audio, 49 battery life, low latency, noise cancelling, great sound with the microphones, 4 hours in each. And they've really done a great job with these. And if you want a pair of headphones with all the features in them, but you don't want to pay a lot of money, then the Edifier WH950 is absolutely perfect. So in this video, I'm going to start out by doing an unboxing, so you can see what comes in the box. Then I'm going to go and test them out so you can see how the features work. We'll test out the sound, test out the noise cancelling, test out the microphones, talk a bit more about some of the features, look at the app as well with the headphones, so you guys can make a decision as to whether you want them. But you're going to find these are a fantastic pair of headphones. Very, very comfortable, great sounding, and all round very, very good. And you would think, for what they are, you're spending a lot more money for them. So anyway, if you wish to purchase these, there's links in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. All the support really does help with the videos. Anyway, let's jump in now at MrYouWho. Okay, so we're taking a look at the unboxing of the Edifier WH950NB. As you can see, it comes in a very, very nice packaged box. You're going to find that's the key part of the Edifier headphones here. It really does have lovely packaging and design. There's a bit more about it on the back. Let's go and have a look and open up the box and see what comes in it. So we open it up like so, and put that over there, and open it up. So as we open up, so here is the headphones. Now again, it's a nice pouch, fits well in the hand. I could see myself carrying this pouch, say in the gym bag or commuting out and about. That's about how thick it is, and already you can feel the good quality. I love the design on here. If we open it up, and here we are. So here's the headphones in here. Now straight away, look at that lovely design. Here they are now. Now, the great thing, first thing that comes out about these is the cushioning. Now, as you can see, there's lovely memory foam cushioning at the top. See the push in that? Now, that means that these are going to be very, very comfortable and in the ear cups as well. So these have 55 hours battery life in them. Now, with that lovely comfort of the headphones, it means they're going to last a long time when you're actually using them for long periods if you're being transported. And very, very well designed. I love that. Now, have a look a bit more of the headphones. So the band is a metal band as well. As you can see, it provides some flexibility in it, which means you can adjust the height depending on your height. You can adjust the band there. You've also got the earbuds here. Again, there's the lovely design. It feels like a lovely kind of matte finish. They say they use protein leather in the cups and memory foam, and you can really feel that. There's the USB-C charger there. And there's the jack input if you've got a headphone. And there's the controllers. We'll talk shortly a bit more about how you can actually use these controllers to change around. They've got 4 microphones in here as well. Noise cancelling in place, and you can control it all from your headphones too, which is fantastic. So there's the headphones. As you can see, they really do look beautiful. I could easily see myself having these on my head. They really are lovely. Look at that. Fantastic style. Probably what I'm feeling here as well when we test them though, probably one of the most comfortable headphones that I've seen. They feel like having a cushion. So it'd be like having a cushion in your head, and I don't think they get very hot when working out, but obviously we'll test that out. And in here you've got the different accompaniments. So you've got USB, you've got your headphone jack, you've got your instruction guide, and you've got your USB-C charging as well. So very good presentation, and I really can't wait to test these out. They look really good. Okay, so how easy are the Edifier WH950 to set up? Well, very, very straightforward. As you can see on the back there, there's the buttons you can use to turn it on. So you hold down that button there, and it turns it on. And you can also hold down the button there to pair as well. Now you can turn the headphones on by holding down that button there. And you can also turn up tracks, turn down tracks by pressing either of those two. And also if you hold down mode, you can switch between noise cancelling, ambient aware, high noise cancel, which I have, and noise cancelling off as well. So they're very, very easy to connect, work very well. And as you can see, they put a great seal over the ears. So if I put them over there, my ears are completely within the headphones, which means limits the amount of sound coming externally, but also means that you really are trapped in the music. It really is fantastic. And that's the key thing about these is they feel really nice in the head. Now, because they've got a plastic build there and a metal band, they're very, very light in the head, which is good. So you can use them if you're working out and about. As you can see, being walking around, they're very, very easy to use. So very easy to use headphones. What I want to do now is kind of talk a bit more about some of the features of the headphones and kind of what you're getting in them. So let's do that now. Okay, so now let's look at some of the key features of the Edifier WH950. Well, first it comes with different modes. So you've got the active noise cancelling mode and also the ambient sound mode. Now, noise cancelling, you have the high noise cancelling or the lower noise cancelling. What this means is you can use the headphones in a number of different environments and you can customize them depending on where you are. If you're in high traffic, high noise cancelling, just with a little bit of background noise, low noise cancelling, it works really well. Now, it's also got LDAC codec built in, so this gives you high-res audio and high-res wireless. So you can switch this on, and essentially what it does is it gives you that extra sound quality and makes it sound much better. I put the high-res audio on as soon as I used it, and you can do that through the app, which I'll show you shortly. It also has 5 mics in place for noise-cancelling calls. Again, the voice quality is excellent with these headphones. You can actually use calls for them, and they'd be good if you're using Zoom calls, etc. They also charge very quickly. So 1.5 hours, they fully charge, and you get at least 34 hours of playtime on noise cancelling. I've been using them for the last few days and haven't needed to charge them yet as well. So that's very, very good. And they do fast charging as well. So for 10 minutes, you get 7 hours playback, which is excellent as well. They've got a built-in 40mm dynamic driver too, which really helps give that excellent amount of sound. It presents a natural and balanced audio and really gives you that next level sound across all kinds of music that you use. Now, it's also got in place a very comfortable with the headphones. Again, you can wear them all day with a soft protein leather memory foam. They sit very well in the ears. You can use them all the time. They've also got dual device connection as well, so you can use it between multiple devices. Bearing in mind, if you use that, you'll lose the high-res audio. And they also come with the different modes as well. So you've got the music mode, game mode, or theater mode. So you can switch it depending on what you're listening to. So if you're playing games, you can play your Xbox, for example, low latency. Also built in with a 5.3 Bluetooth, which really helps with that. You've got theater mode as well if you want to listen to some of those movies like Star Wars and stuff like that, which I really enjoyed. They've also got a safe sound limit, which is 85 decibels. Now, I've read some reviews that the sound wasn't loud enough. I tested the sound, and to me, I couldn't put it on full. It started to hurt my ears. I can't listen to sound that loud, and I recommend other people not to as well. Again, they're fully portable, come with a great customized case that you can use, and generally, these are exceptional headphones. So as you can see, they're packed with a whole heap of features. Okay, I'm testing out the active noise cancelling and also the microphones on the bridge. As you can see, there's a busy road under me and I can do the conversation fine. I can hear them very clearly as well because the noise cancelling headphones block out the noise, but also the 4 microphones with the noise cancelling built into them as well reduce the noise so that people can hear me easily on the calls as well. So it works very well. You can use these next to traffic and be able to do phone calls very, very easily. They're perfect.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals I've been
Oh, sorry. Got carried away listening to the music. The music on these is absolutely fantastic. And I'd say they're up there with headphones such as the Bose speakers. And the reason being is the sound quality is very, very good. So even with noise cancelling on, it doesn't reduce the quality of the music. So if you're listening to dance, jazz, hip hop, the sound's very, very good. I've heard a couple of people say that the bass is probably not as strong. I don't find that in these. The bass is good. I wouldn't say it's exceptional, but it really depends on what your music tastes are. But you get the full soundstage with these, and they're very incredible. And even with, as I said, noise cancelling switched on, it doesn't actually reduce the quality of the sound, which is great. So you can have noise cancelling on all day. And with the 49 hours battery life, which you can get, I've had these going for 4 days now, and I haven't need to charge them. You can keep and use them on and on. So I'm going to go and do a quick sound test now so you can show them exactly here what I mean when I talk about how good the sound is. But again, I love listening to dance music and it sounds really good. And if you've got high-res audio on your phone as well, these have high-res audio built in, as I discussed earlier, so you can really get fantastic music. Okay, now let's take a look at the Edifier app. So you can see here's the app. Now I've already connected it to the headphones. As you can see, you've got different features here. So you've got the high noise cancellation, the low noise cancellation, Wind reduction, which is quite a useful feature, which we did test, actually did work quite well. Ambient sound. So ambient sound is where you can actually be talking to people while you've got the music on. So good if you're, say, crossing a road, looking out for traffic, works really well. And also your noise cancellation off. Now, if you have a look at settings as well, now here's where you can actually activate the high-res audio. So if we go and look at the LDAC settings here, you see I've got a sampling rate of 96 Hertz. So that means it's very, very good for music, sounds very good. And you can actually tell the difference with these as well. My phone is high-res audio compatible, and the difference in music is actually really there. It sounds excellent. And you can also change the Hertz. So you can also switch it off there if you wish as well. Your dual voice connection, prompt volume. You can just save volume as well, if you like. Again, there's some more of the control settings as well. So you can change the control settings. You can also change what the actual headphones do when you're using them as well. And switch on voice assistant or switch off voice assistant. Now here's the different modes as well. So you can actually customize the equalizer as well. So you can have different sounds depending on what you want. So if you want to, for example, go to increase the bass, for example, if you want to lower it, you can do it all through here just by scanning what type of music you want. I found it quite handy to change the different types of volumes as well, so I can hear what it sounds like. You can have dynamic or you can have classic. And here you can also switch to gaming mode as well. Now I did use these on my Xbox and found that they're actually very low latency as well. So there wasn't actually a difference between the gameplay and me actually using it as well, which is excellent. So I actually like this app. It's actually quite a handy adjustment. I'd probably say I'd like to have a bit more ability to presets in regards to the equalizer. For example, having like dance music, stuff like that on there. Yeah, but it works really well. So now you can hopefully see what I meant by when I started testing these out and not looking at the price was far lower than I could ever have guessed. And it's unusual for that. Normally you review headphones and earbuds and the price is higher than what you'd expect. These probably came in about 70% below what I'd be expecting. So you can choose these rather than going for a more expensive set of headphones, and they really are exceptional. And again, great build quality, great comfort, great features that even some of the more expensive headphones don't have. The high-res audio works really well. The noise cancelling is exceptional. And actually using it for voice and calls with the 4 microphones, it's very, very clear. People can see you very clearly. And as you could see with my testing on the busy road, people could still hear me as I'm walking around. So, you know, with a 40mm driver built in as well, it gives a great punch with the music. And as you could tell by my sound test, it sounded really good as well. So guys, if you wish to purchase a pair of these beauties, again, there's links in the description. Any purchase you make really does go to supporting my channel. And make sure you check out my other headphone reviews as well. These aren't the first headphones I've reviewed, but I'd say they're probably up there with the best for quality, but also best for value. So probably best for value on headphones I've reviewed. Edifier have done a fantastic job. Anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining me here at MrYouWho.